Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a JBL Clip 4 Eco wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case this speaker is not working for any reason. Maybe it's not connecting to your phone, or it's not syncing or pairing with Bluetooth, or it keeps disconnecting. Any issues like that can very often be fixed with a factory reset. Now, if you can't get it fixed or you decide, new speakers are cheap, I'm just going to buy a new one, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a really great speaker at a great price. I actually have it. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this reset is for whatever reason where you just want to delete everything off of it, the pairing history and all, so that you can set this up like it's a brand new speaker. This will do that for you, and it's very easy. All you need to do on this speaker is make sure it's turned on with the power button here, and then on the front we'll find that volume up button, and on the side we'll find this Bluetooth button. And we're just going to press and hold the volume up and the Bluetooth button together simultaneously for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, the speaker will turn off, and then it will reboot automatically into its factory default settings. You can go ahead and set it up as a new device.